Question number 15 says, explain what a function is using a graph and table. Explain what a one-to-one function is. Explain what an inverse function is. And how are log and exponential function related. So let's go ahead and look at what this question is going to bring us. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, first, we're going to start off by defining what a function is. So let's start with a function. Start with function. So a function, the easiest way that I can make you understand what it is, it's only one x pairs with a y. So a function is only one x pairs with a y. So what this just really means to say, the x does not repeat. The x does not repeat. So let's first look at a table so that you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So we have a table. We have our x. We have our y. That's our little table. Let's say we have the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Let's say we have 1, 0, 0, 2, 3. So we have this. Just from looking at this, you can tell if it is a function or not a function. So, is this a function or not a function? Well, let's see what the definition says. Only one x pairs with a y. X does not repeat. Well, the x, they're all different. The x are different. They don't repeat. So this is a function. That is a function because the x does not repeat. As we see here, the x didn't repeat. So now that you understand with a table that is a function, let's look at a table that would not be a function. So we have our table. Say we had -2, -1, 0, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 0. Well, is this a function? No, because this repeats. So this is not a function. That is not a function because the x repeats. So that's not a function. This is a function because the x doesn't repeat, but this one is not a function. So now that we kind of understand with the table, let's look at the graph. Let's look at an example with a graph. So we have our graph. That's our graph, right? Okay. This is a 1, 2, 3. 1, -2, -3. Well, the x will be paired up with the 1, the 2 with the 2, the 3 with the 3, the -1 with the 1, the -2 with the 2, and the -3 with the 3. So that basically means that the x doesn't repeat, which means that it is a function because the x will not be repeating. So that is a function. This is how you can see if it's a function or not a function. So now let's talk about